Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode. What episode are we at? 322, man. Now, it is a technical analysis edition, and is Bitcoin ready for a move, man? Now, thank you all for joining us tonight on an awesome Sunday night. I hope you're having a great time. And again, thank you for being here and chilling with us tonight. Now, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub. That way you're going to be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. You can also leave a comment below if you want to. And if you're live and you just want to engage with us, you can also, just chat us up here on the stream. Bitcoin Jake, how's it going, man? DVT at 9 sats. Awesome, bro. We're going to check that out in a second. Trying to get here my phone to work. Have not been able to get YouTube to work on my weird phone that I got from the office all day today. Well, I am connected to a Wi-Fi network. It's usually where I spot myself when I'm online. And for some reason, I just can't get it to load, man. It's so awkward, man. Let me turn off mobile data. I'm not sure how the mobile preferences are for this phone, the data preferences, but it's super weird that it already consumed all of my data plan. It's so awkward, dude. And I'm supposed to have 15 gigs, but apparently I only have 5 gigs. It's just freaking weird, man. Anyways, if I'm not able to spot myself here, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. There we go. Let's see if I can get this to load now. It's taking a little bit longer than usual to load for some reason, but again, thank you all for joining us tonight. And without further ado, let's jump onto technicals, right? I'll keep on going on with the show, man. The show must go on. Like I said, thank you for joining us from DLive, Twitch, Periscope, and YouTube, man. If you haven't done it yet, you should hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? I forgot to play all this small, little things I play usually, like my name and everything, but whatever. Let's jump onto this. Yes, DVT's at 9 sats. It is a good Sunday. Let's see what's going on, man. What's in store for us? We're facing right now a rejection, right, with Bitcoin of a key area. But let's go into total market cap first and figure out what we did here on total market cap. All right, so on crypto, right? Going from a high to a new higher. Again, we're still tracking the bearish divergence, right? Still a negative momentum, right? But we're still tracking that bearish divergence. That could potentially break us down at some point in time, and we could keep on climbing until we make a positive momentum island, right? And then we'll have a good anchoring point too, and from there we'll take it. But right now, what we're bought at 68.97. Again, chances that money could flow out of the cryptosphere, right? That move down could see us hit the 20 simple moving average, and with that, we got to test for support there. Again, that's going to be it for market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 60.46. It's gaining a little bit of dominance today. Yesterday, it managed to lose 0.61%. Today, gaining 0.24. Briefly broke below 60, man. It did go to 59.93, and that is very good, man. I want Bitcoin to lose more dominance. It's good for the market. Now, it's getting some today, and that's fine. Bitcoin losing dough, losing money, sitting at $11,869.08. What is happening, man? What are we rejecting, right? First, let me hide the Bollinger Band so you can see this a little bit better. Look at that, man. We got very, very close to our target. We actually wicked above it. We actually managed to wick. What was the highest we got? 11,942, 11,945, slightly higher. Again, I wouldn't call this a double top or a two-zero top. No, we do have this wick here that's slightly larger. And, I think we're just trying to go above that area, and we cannot break it, right? So what is in store for us? It's the second day that we're trying to break this area. If we fail again at this area, I wouldn't be weirded out if this manages to go down. Robert Wood, when you get a chance, can I check out XRP? Yes, bro, I will check out XRP. Thanks for that awesome request. XRP is one of the regular assets that we check out here. Usually goes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then XRP, right? And then after XRP, Litecoin, Binance, Cardano, DVT, and whatever other requests are out there, we'll definitely check them out. Thank you for joining us, Robert, and thank you for being here. I really appreciate your awesome comment, man. Yeah, XRP. We're gonna check it out. It's still battling with 30 cents, man. It's a worrying area for XRP. Again, Bitcoin failing at this area. I wouldn't be surprised if we started to get some pullback happening. Why am I talking about that? Well, finally, yeah, right? So we're going... we should really be tracking from way back here. But look, I'll just do it here so we don't get a lot of clutter going on. We're going from a high to a higher high point again. Same like we had here, right? So from here to here, and we got pullback. So, we get the movement happening down. Now we're going from a positive to a negative, right? Positive momentum to negative momentum and high on the other side to a lower point on the other side as we're going slightly higher on the price. And with that, we're creating strong bearish divergence with potential for price action to the downside, right? Nav, how's it going, man? Andrew, you got a few minutes. Hey, bro, thank you for joining us. Are you still out there by wherever you had that wedding at? And thank you for being here, man. I really appreciate that. I think you were traveling for the wedding, so you know, I assume you're probably still out there. Hopefully, enjoying the weekend, having fun. Can I take a look at Gnosis when I get a minute? Yeah. CRXC is pumping. Yeah, you're Indiana. All right, cool, man. That's awesome. Anyways, okay, so we're having movement down again. I wouldn't be weirded out if we get some movement down happening today still. Sitting bought at 63.87 on the RSI. With that, let's go to the 4-hour and figure out what we have there, man. On the 4-hour, right, we created some bearish divergence still. So from here to here, going slightly higher again. Managing to briefly close above that area right of resistance, which it's an area where we got pullback from, and we started to move down, and we tried to go there again and failed. So you know, going slightly higher, coming from positive to less positive. On the other side, we're going slightly higher, so I'll give that. But bearish divergence, price action to downside. We did move down slightly, try to go for a new rally, and failing again at 11,128. We actually opened very close to the area. We opened at 11,924. We're rejecting, starting to move down. So low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side. Nothing there, man. So let's go into the 1 hour, right? We do have this bearish divergence that could be bringing the price down. We have it on the daily also. Let's see in the 1 hour, man. The 1 hour is where it gets a little bit trickier. That's where we really don't want to see it. All right, so a couple things, right? So first, let's go with this one from here to here. And I'll just anchor these two. The 1 hour, I think I forgot to anchor on the 4 hour, but I'll just do this real quick, right? And we're going from a positive to a more positive momentum. And on the other side, it looks like we might be going slightly higher, 58.39, 59, right? So yeah, very very slightly higher. So all right, some hidden bearish divergence, potential action to downside. We're seeing that. We're facing it at a key resistance level, and with that, we know that we could potentially expect price action to the downside, right? So again, we have a sort of bearish divergence happening on the 1 hour. We have a strong bearish divergence on the 4 and a strong bearish divergence on the daily. So again, a movement down on Bitcoin wouldn't be extremely weird. It would actually be expected, like I said. Anyways, all right. With that said, again, moving below that area, trying to climb a little bit, impulse down, upslope consolidation. Usually breaks down again, sitting neutral at 49.83 on their side. Bitcoin closed a weekly. So we'll see what it did, man. Last week, beautiful. Another green candle, right? So again, let's go to a cleaner chart so you can figure out what we're doing with Bitcoin on the weekly. And again, it's still within this sort of uptrend. Going higher, right? Let's see, 281 to 317. So high, right? With positive momentum, higher on there. So all things are good, man. All right, nothing bearish on Bitcoin right now. So again, good stuff happening here. With that said, let's go to the chart we should look at and go into the shorter time scales. And yeah. As we said, right? So let's wait for Bitcoin to move. Again, I wouldn't be weirded out by moving down. If it managed to get above 11,128 and close above there, we could be really looking for a potential hit of on the daily, right? Of 12,300 and change up here, right? So it would be a potential target for Bitcoin. With that said, let's go over and look at Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? So you got $425 and yeah, on the 425. What is he doing, man? I never know what he does back there. Yeah, it moved down, right? Hit target, 418. Beautiful. Managed to pull back up from that area. Right now, it looks like it still wants to move down. It wouldn't be weird if it just came down here and touched again, 418.31. The lowest it's gotten already, it's 421. So it's very, very close, right? $3 off. With that said, again, that positive momentum still dying. So, you know, neutral, bought at 69.10 on the RSI. So again, bearish divergence strong, still playing. So again, impulse down or movement down. That's what we're getting. So let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we got there. So we didn't have anything to here. We obviously don't have anything to here. I think, let me confirm. Yeah, so as you can tell, right? So what is this? 217, 194, 219. Yeah, we very, very slightly created something here. And that happened today at 3 in the morning. It's just very slight though, right? we're going from low to a higher point, and look at this, man. 2.17 negative and 2.19 negative, so slightly more of that negative momentum, creating a hidden bullish potential for rally, and we hit it as support. That's where we're getting this small bounce happening. We don't have anything on the top part that is bearish. Moving down, we'll probably have something on the 1 hour, but you know, we'll see that when we get there. Still above that 20 simple moving average, although I don't have them out there. Oh, we broke below right now on this 4 hour candle. So again, gotta wait for this to get back up there, and sitting neutral at 52.58 on Bitcoin. I didn't look at the 20 simple moving average, and I wanted to look at that on the 1 hour because I think we were losing that. So I'll just go here real quick. Yeah, we managed to regain it. So that's good. We're managing to hold on to that support, tightening all the Bollinger Bands coming into Bitcoin. So again, just watch out for that. That could mean an explosive move, and that's why I said we could be getting ready. So if we get above that area of 11,928, we could be looking for higher prices. If not, you know, it could be coming down here again. So, you know, I really don't want Bitcoin to go that low. So with that said, let's go to the 4 hour, and that's Ethereum again, and let's go to the 1 hour because we already discussed this. So on the 1 hour, what's going on, man? We're going lower again, less negative momentum. So again, you know, I just keep on tracking, right? That's all good. From there to there, you know, and finally even here. No, that's it. So strong bullish divergence, price action to the upside. Again, we had it at support 418, managed to rally, and from there, you know, positive momentum. So let's see where we're at here. 76.1. All right. I usually don't like the hidden divergences, although they do play out every now and then. The reason I don't like them is that they just can climb on forever, or go down forever in the case of you know, the bullish or the bearish, until it actually kicks in. So anyways, with that, so high, lower high, positive, more positive, right? Hidden bearish, potential action to downside. We did move down slightly. We try to recover, probably even making a higher high than the previous one, right? So let's see, 1 and 102, right? So from here to here, we're going slightly higher. And obviously from here to here, we're coming in lower. So again, creating that hidden bearish divergence still. Price action to the downside and started to move down since then. So again, not a lot happening with Ethereum. Sitting neutral at 40.12 on the RSI. Negative momentum starting to build. Let's see how this keeps on playing out. A movement down will certainly see us make more negative momentum. And then we could be going slightly higher and, you know, create some kind of hidden bullish and try to go for a run from there. But, you know, still to be determined how this is going to play out for Ethereum. But again, right now, price action to the downside, that's what we're getting, right? That's what's playing out. If we're losing the 20, right, so that's fine. If we come down here to 418, we got to look for support. If we manage to get support, we could try to go for another bounce. I'm not sure if it's going to be as strong as this previous bounce. Again, we don't have anything bullish to accompany that bounce, but we might create it by the time we get there. And, you know, that's why we got to keep on looking at the market and figure out what's going to happen then. Let's see the chat, man. If you guys haven't done it yet, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? With that, let's go and look at what else are we going to look at, man? We do have a couple things here we're going to look at. Let's go look at XRP. We had a request for XRP, so yeah, we'll look at XRP. Robert, we're going to check out XRP for you, man. What is happening with XRP, man? Good. It's sitting at 30.06 cents. Managing to hold on to support yesterday, right? So we closed there, we opened. We said we wanted to hold on to that area. We held on. Managed to go slightly higher, right? Like we didn't even get to 30.5. Highest point we got was 30.47. From then we opened and we're starting to move slightly down. Are we doing something here? High, lower, high, positive, negative, high on the other side, lower on the other side. Nothing on the bearish side. And the last thing we're playing off is this hidden bullish that we had against the MACD. That's about it. Sitting bought at 67.35. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Oh man, this track's so weird. It always plays, dude. When I like, you know, it's a random. We'll let this one go. Figure out how this plays out. Anyways, I do have stuff here from. I think it's from the 4 hours. What, we pulled back? Yeah, we pulled back, right? So look, here we're looking for bearish divergence. It was up to here. And we were live here at that 7 to 11 p.m. candle, right? That 4-hour candle. We're actually up here, so we're going higher and we're coming lower. It's that bearish divergence chance for moving down. And again, it's one of those things that because we had it, we no longer have, right? Because we called it out live, we have the lines. And so we moved down, so we no longer have it there. But we did manage to move down, hit the 20, right? I was expected if we were going to lose this area. And with that moving down and hitting the 20, again, we got a good bounce and try to hit that 30-cent mark. So to be fair now, high, higher high, positive less positive, right? So bearish divergence moving down. Also here, right? Some high, lower high on the RSI. See neutral at 55.28. So bearish divergence, price action to the downside. We did move down. We already hit the 21s. We hit the area again, 29.894. We're getting some rejection of lower prices, which is good. Will the market turn bullish yet? Still to be determined. Let's go to the 1 hour candle and see what we have there. Let's see if we have something bullish here on the 1 hour. So low, right, low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI. Higher on the RSI, yeah, slightly higher. So let's see if we have something bearish, man. I'll take it from this high though. We do have a couple islands here that break this up. So high, higher high, positive, more positive, high on the other side, higher on the other side, nothing bearish. So let's look for bullish stuff. Low, 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 more low. Okay, so low, higher low, lower low, negative, less negative, more negative, right? Low on the other side, higher on the other side, lower on the other side. Nothing bullish, man. Right now, it just looks like we're holding on to support, right? We're still above the 20. It looks like it wants to fight for this area. I even went on Twitter and wrote that XRP was really having a hard time with the 30-cent area, right? So again, let's we might come down here against 29.894 and find support there. We've been flirting with this area for the last, let's see, August 14th, 11 a.m. So the last 2 days, right? The weekend. You can tell we were more or less trading within a range. Yeah, you can make it a triangle if you wanted to. But I just want to highlight that is a box range that we're trading in, right? Like 30.5 to, let's see this up, 29 to 10, right? So we'll just go from there to there. That's where XRP's at, right? We're trying to see if it's going to break. Holding support here will potentially lead us to a break to the upside. Because that would mean we're rejecting lower prices every time. And, you know, it just depends on how much support we're going to have at that level. It could be that we end up eating all that supply. And the selling pressure just builds up and it breaks it to the downside, right? So, again, a lot of tightness off the Bollinger Bands in the 4 hours. So, we could be expecting a wild move. Let's see what else, man. You'll have your XRP at 30.5, but you'll buy in later. Yeah, man. Shit, man. I would say if you see it go to 30.5, wait and see if it climbs a little bit more. And if it does climb a little bit more, maybe exit, right? Exit at 30.5 if you see that's going to start to pull back. Oh, you already dumped it at 30.5. All right. Yeah, dude, it's been a resistance at that level, right? But it's we're going to start the week, so we have Asia already coming online. We're going to have Europe come online in a couple hours, right? So, you know, we're going to start to see probably movement happening, and I want to see movement happening. It's just been boring on the weekend because you just got a lot of sideways motion. And sometimes weekends are like that, and sometimes it's good because it just gives me time to, like, really chill and relax, enjoy the family. So, yeah, good stuff, man. Let's see what else is going on here. I think I'm finding anything else here. Last thing I have here, let me see if there's anything bullish, but, you know, I just don't want to look for signals when there's none. Low, higher, low, negative, low, negative, low, there's a higher, right? Nothing there. On the daily, also, nothing. We already called what we had, so, you know. Nothing. I think it will do well. Just need a little liquidity. You want XRP to do well? Yeah, dude, you know, XRP is one of those projects that's working, that has a working product, but it just fails to take off, bro, you know? Other projects just take off. Maybe people are adverse to XRP because some people think it's centralized. Some people say it's decentralized. I mean, you can make up your own mind regarding the project. I'm not going to discuss it openly. I like the project. I like what they do, but, you know, it's just weird to see that it just fails to take off, really. Right? And with all the backing they have, all the news, all the banks are working with them. You know, they have an operating product with MoneyGram. Everything that's going on with them is good, but, you know, it just fails to take off, and that's not good, man. It's like a product that it's good, but it just fails to, like, launch, right, or perform better. The product has launched. It's just not performing. It's underperforming, so. Anyways, with that said, let's go and look at Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? We did manage to go higher, yeah. All right, so we're going higher. Now we can finally anchor to a positive momentum. That's what we're waiting for, and we're still lower here on the RSI. So strong bearish divergence on Litecoin. Potential action to the downside, already moved down. We're pulling back up. Again, this is starting to build, right? It's the first green bar that we got in here on Litecoin. So again, this will keep on building, right? And we'll keep on tracking wherever it goes. But right now, until today, in this point in time, so you know, for markets, already 17th of August. So right now, it is having strong bearish divergence, and we just gotta like assume it might play to the downside right now, or we could start seeing some pressure to the downside, right? Anyways, I should bother the devs on Twitter. I'm sure plenty have tried from the SRP Army. Yeah, probably, man. It's sitting bought at 68.06, so let's go to the 4 hour, man. Litecoin to USD Tether hit even higher, yeah. $63 and 89 cents. Where's it at here, right? We're creating bearish divergence, you know. It's good. It's just making prices to February 2020, right? So we're not doing that far back. Like, look, I'll just compare real quick for comparison's sakes. Litecoin, yeah, although it's doing good, it's just going to prices of February. XRP, it's hitting prices of, you know, probably also like back here, right? So February 2020. But Ethereum, dude, Ethereum is hitting prices that it hasn't seen since, I think, 2019. Yeah, 2018, actually. Look at that, man. August 2018. That's the prices that Ethereum's already hitting. And Bitcoin, it's already looking all the way back. And I think Bitcoin's 2019, yeah. At least, you know, July 2019 or August 2019, right? So, again, the Bitcoin and Ethereum are just performing so much better than the rest. Litecoin has failed to pump. I think Bitcoin Jake said yesterday that, you know, he believed that Litecoin should be a quarter of a Bitcoin, right? So a quarter of the value of Bitcoin. Well, we'll see. I'm not sure if it's going to go that high, man. But, you know. Anyway, so let's go to the 4 hour. We're looking for something bearish. We did move down on this candle. From then we started climbing. We said we didn't have anything else going on there. Short term, though, now, finally, today. When? Yeah, right now. Last 4 hour candle, right? Look, higher high on the price. Positive. Less positive. High on the other side, higher on the other side. So I'm not going to call it there. But we have some kind of strong bearish divergence building with potential for price action to the downside. Yeah, do the maths. Yeah, bro. Cool thing about Litecoin is they're going to implement mumbo jumbo. That's what we're going to call it here. Mumbo jumbo. Mimbo wimble. Yeah, the privacy coin. Yeah, dude, I know. Charlie Lee's also a good founder. A good founder that dumped a lot of his bags on the community when it was at all-time highs. That's the problem I had with Litecoin, dude. It's out there. I've said it plenty of times. I don't like the fact that he sold out the project. He should have kept it. If he believes the project is going to go on to the moon, he should have just kept it, right? Anyways, Litecoin has 4 times still coins and Bitcoin, basically all the same text, just a lighter version. Yeah, I know, dude. It's a copy version, and people have said that it should be Bitcoin's silver, but, you know, gold and silver are so much divided that it wouldn't make sense. You know, it probably is behaving like silver, where it's so. It used to be that gold and silver were locked in a ratio of 10-1 at some point in time, and then just the ratio started like gapping away until oblivion, right? So. Yeah, it would make sense that, you know, at some point in time Litecoin could also gap away from Bitcoin, even though it also has a finite supply. But, you know, anyways, just wait for the miners. Yeah, dude, that it could be right that when the miners jump back online, whenever it jumps, dude, if it jumps, you know, it will, right? Anyways, well, he can dump twice. What about Satoshi coins? If they're ever dumped, yeah, maybe, man. You know, Satoshi coins. They were dumb. I doubt Satoshi's coins will be dumped, dude. I think that money's locked out forever, man. Do you guys think Satoshi's still alive? I mean, I think that's a fair question, right? Is Satoshi Nakamoto still alive? Do you guys think whoever uses that pseudonym to work or perform or, you know, write the white paper, or whoever the collective people are, do you guys think they are still alive? Anyways, here, Nev saying all day A6. I'm sure you're warming up now. Yeah, well, you know, that's the question. So if he's dead, he's not going to dump in the market. If he's alive, why hasn't he moved these coins? They're worth a lot, right? So he should have done something with them already. So it's weird that all that money's just locked up there, man. You know, whatever he has, whatever he mined, whatever he acquired or accrued during the time that he was mining or doing something, why haven't those coins moved? That is a key question. It was either Hal, Adam Beck, or Greg Maxwell, in your opinion. Satoshi goes, will move eventually. Yeah, maybe, man. Yeah, someone could find the plot twist. It was Steve Jobs. I doubt it, man. Dude, come on. We all know Satoshi Nakamoto is Craig Wright. We are all well aware of that, right? So Craig Wright is the actual Satoshi Nakamoto. Come on. I'm not sure if I should be saying that. I know he's not, but you know, I know it's unlikely, dude. I'm just messing around. He's not Satoshi Nakamoto. Who was it that trolled him on the stage? Ton Vase. I think he was up on the stage and he was next to Craig Wright and he was wearing a shirt saying everyone's Satoshi except Craig Wright. I thought it was funny. A childish move, but funny. You know, a Litecoin. What is it doing, man? Under 1 hour. Going from high to a higher high. All right, look at Litecoin, right? So we'll do something real quick. We were here yesterday, so we were at this candle, right? 11. That was in the 15th. We called the bearish divergence. We moved down, hit the 20, tried to take a bounce, right? So yesterday, right? We were live. We did move down again. Managed to hold on to 20, which was key, and then hold on to 20 here and use this as support. Now we're creating bearish divergence still, right? So from here to here, right? So from one island to the next, the way we actually want to trace divergence. And so we're going like that, and even from here to here, we're going down. Maybe I missed this one yesterday, but you know, with that said, we're looking for potential price action to the downside. So we have bearish divergence on the 1 hour, we have bearish divergence on the 4 hour, and we have bearish divergence on the daily. So it wouldn't be weird if Litecoin decided to go for a red run today. Again, we are in a bull trend, right? And bearish signs have a lesser chance of playing out. So with that in mind, let's see what's going to happen. Let's look at Binance. Sitting at $23.22. Is it doing something? No. Yeah, it is. Bearish divergence. Finally, today. High, higher high. Alright, just going to make sure this is going to stick with us here on the daily. We want it to go to 1 hour, so that's fine. High to low. And then high to low also. The emails. The emails. I'm not sure how many of you are going to get that reference, but yeah, I guess not a lot of people are going to get that reference. Anyways, moving down, sitting bought at 62.87. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had bearish divergence here. We called it yesterday, right? And then we started to move here, but we're already here by the time we called it. We did manage to move slightly lower, right? Very, very slightly. So that's fine. Coming in here lower also. And we took that nice bounce. But, you know, again, bearish divergence now from a positive, like what we want to call it, right? To an actual green bar. And that's what we have now. I'll just anchor it to there. It's all the same. It's continuation of the same stuff, right? So we're going from there to there, right? Just see that's a straight line there. That cheat. The system is down. So, any of you guys familiar, or did any of you guys ever seen Homestar Runner? By any chance? It was the most amazing like web cartoon ever, man. Used to be hilarious, man. Anyway, sitting neutral, 56.44 on the RSI. That's about it, though. Moving down, we're getting support at 20, which is good. Rejecting lower prices again. We could be coming down to 20 again. No, we don't have anything bullish built here, so let's go to the 1 hour and see if we have something there, right? Potential double bottom that we rallied from. Oh, you never seen it, Jake? Bro, it was one of the best things ever, man. It was a little before you. You were more of a Newgrounds kid. Well, I was also Newgrounds, dude. Didn't they have like retarded animal babies or whatever that cartoon was? That was used to be hilarious. Also, like you know, they were like these cartoons that used to like massacre each other. But yeah, dude, Homestar Runner. I saw it after college, even, dude. And Newgrounds was already around. Dude, Homestar Runner was so hilarious, man. Remember the Euro game? No, I don't. Yeah, I can't remember that one. Was it the one where you had to pick like where to go piss or something like that? Which one was the right answer to go piss? I can't remember what the urinal game was there. Forgot to anchor stuff on the 4 hour, so screw me, right? Let's anchor that there. Let's send that to the over there, you know. Just let me make sure I'm gonna have this properly anchored here. Sorry guys, if you're new to the channel, thank you for liking us and subscribing. You're amazing, and if you haven't, you should. Otherwise, I'll steal your crypto. Yeah, I remember that one. I was never a big fan of that game in particular. It was just like, you know, where should you go piss if there's a person in stool number 1 and 3? Yeah, it's just a weird game. Anyways, again, Bearish Divergence, right? I'm anchoring from back here. Just imagine that's a straight line. I don't want to get a lot of lines flowing through the charts and going insane. Insanely crazy, man. Anyways, Bearish Divergence, price action to downside. We're moving down. Getting a bounce, hitting the 20, right? Rejecting higher prices right now. So there's a chance we could reject and try to look for lower areas of value. With that said, let's see. Low. Did we go lower? Yeah, very slightly, man. So low, lower low, and then add negative to less negative, and low on their side to lower on their side. Not there. But against the MACD, we're creating a strong bullish divergence. Price action to the outside. We got that. And then the hidden bearish, it's what's breaking us down right now. We don't have anything else building here. All this is one negative momentum island, right? We don't have any positive momentum going on there. And we're higher, and we're making less negative momentum that we're back here, right? So, you know, not really a lot going on there. Oh, shit. A lot of stuff going on there. Alligator Flash, I think I used for development. It's been a decade. Yeah, good old motion. Yeah, aim keyframes. Something, yeah, dude. I remember Flash, dude. I just don't see a lot of things in Flash anymore. Maybe, yeah, I think sometimes they just get requested, you know, for Flash stuff, but not a lot. Binance coin price falls to 23.1 after rising above 23.7. The Binance coin price line has made its way past the 23.7 mark on the 15th of August. The crypto traded within the day's range of 22.80 to 23.79. One day Binance. I'm not sure. That's just the title that was over here on this side. Before I do the other coin, I'll go here and look at Devolve because it's sitting at 9, dude. What? This is so cool, man. I like it. I'm doing so much dough on this already, man. So cool. Jill Turner, probably you're kicking yourself in the nuts right now from not getting into this coin. You should have, bro. You could have gotten it at 6, dude, and sold at 9. I know you're probably not here, but you should have gotten it at that level, man. If you ever catch this on the replay, just know that you should have. And now, you could have made it some dough already. Your bag's $500 up this week. Dude, my bag is up $500 since I started holding this, dude. So I like 3 times my money already. It's so cool. I like this project. I wish I would have put more money in here. I put enough though. I just wish I would have placed more. More? Please, sir, may I have some more? S'mores. Endorphins flowing. Good vibes. Yeah, dude, good vibes. Well, let's figure out what's going on with this coin, man. We do have something going on here, right? That I didn't like yesterday. Or today, I'm not sure. We're just going sideways there. And we're coming down here. So we're creating bearish divergence type 2 potential action to downside. Let's just make these bars, dude. Because they're just... I'm not sure why they pick columns. It's the worst way to look at this. Positive to less positive. Right, so we have that bearish divergence there also, right? Potential action to downside. We did move down, then we took a nice bounce. Do you have something to merit that bounce? No. So negative, so low, and higher low, right? We'll plateau on higher. Negative, and less negative. Still so good, man. It's so good that we don't have anything bullish, and we're still managing to recover, man. Now on the daily, just been trading at that level for the last 4 hours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. So not a lot of movement, but again, performing good. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Jake is going to stack until the world ends. He says he's not playing with his DVT. Just stack, stack, stack. All right. Like my thoughts on Compound though. Not sure how much info's out there. All right, we'll look at Comp. I think we already looked at that once. Did you had requested one already earlier, right? I'm not sure which one it was. So I'll have to like look back because we've already been like shooting this shit for a little bit. So Gnosis, right? That's what you asked for. Gnosis. I never heard of that project. If you just give me the ticker for it, and I'll look it up, right? Because I never heard about that one. So oh, you guys remember someone came in here once and asked for a CRB? I want to get this shout out, dude. Because someone was asking for a CRV. Look at CRV, man. Look at CRV. It just got listed a couple days ago, right? On the 14th. And I said, don't get into the project. It's probably just going to sell off the whole time. I can't remember who it was. They were very adamant that they were going to get into this coin. And, it's going to pump the first day. They always pump the first day. It does good the first day. It's going to go to the moon. Bull stuff, It started at 5,000 sats. And then it just managed to go and close at 6.9. So, yeah, it went up 2,000 sats. It is a good gain. But after that, it just started to go downhill, right? It's been losing the last 2 days. It's already ahead the price that it opened at. Again, when coins go and list, a lot of people that are holding before they go listed on Binance, dump on the market on the expectation that the price is going to go higher. I really feel bad for the guys that end up buying at $23.22 just to watch this crumble all the way down to $5. You lost almost 4/5 of your value, right? So again, I said don't get into it. So if you guys got into this project and you managed to sell or like buy at 5,000, sell at 23, good. But if you didn't, dude, I feel bad for you. Now look at the 1 hour, man. This was just the 1 hour, man. Right? The first hour that it listed, it just went insane. Then it came all the way down here and crashed to 13. Right? So it just went in double. And then after that, it just went all the way down to 5, dude. So again, who wants to get into this project? Look, right now, it is making almost the initial the price that it came out, right? And it's probably way below that already. Slightly above still. But be careful when coins get listed for the first time on an exchange. Don't be one of the suckers that gets into it right at the beginning and then you end up getting screwed because you bought the top. Now, it happens with all the coins. So you gotta know when to sell. With that said, I'm just gonna close this Binance thing here and go back here. Let's get back to DVT, man. What's going on? So we're going higher and we're making less positive momentum. So we're creating bearish divergence, right? Something to worry about that could potentially mean price action to the downside, and we also have it against the RSI, high to low. We could be expecting a movement down. We're seeing this rest happening here. Let's see if we can manage to undo this by just pumping and going insane, right? With that said, again, this project has a lot of potential. It's not listed in a lot of exchanges. It's small cap. You can get in early and really ride the wave up on this one, dude. Again, I'm not shilling the project. I'm not pushing the project. I'm analyzing it because I do have stock in the project and I do believe in it long term. That's the only reason I'm looking at it. If I didn't believe in it, I wouldn't look at it. There we go. Bearish hidden boulders, right? Price action to the upside. We got that rise happening. It's all good, man. High, lower, high, positive, less positive. High on their side, lower on their side. Neutral. 58.60. So again, it could still go and rally. Anyways, oh man, Bitly. Thank you. How about CNS? But a small back today on a Twitter whim. All right, we'll look at CNS. We'll look at comp first, though. We already have a comp chart open, I think. Did I close that? Comp, here it is. 195. What? It's too expensive, man. It's getting pullback, right? Flagging, right? We've said, like, look, we resisted at that 618. And we're moving down. So right now we're trading between 618 and the 50% retrace. So 207.88 to 189.07. We don't have a lot of data going here. Remember, we talked about that. We don't have anything back here. but in a short time, I'm pretty sure we called some stuff out. The 4 hour we just had the bullish, then we managed to rally, right? And then I'm not sure when was the last time we looked at this, but you know, high, and we're coming here and doing I don't know. Do you guys ever got to see the SNL Celebrity Jeopardy? That was a fun skit, dude. I like that skit. Used to be good. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, price action to downside, started to move down since low, lower, low, more negative momentum, lower on the other side, right, from the previous low. Let's see, here we had some hidden bullish, right, that's helping us to bounce a little bit here, right? Give that small bounce happening there. And do we also have it here? Yes, we also have it against the RSI. So with that said, we're getting this small rally here, hitting that 618, facing resistance, also at the 20. Managing to move down, we're barely getting above the 20, and we're losing it again, so not looking too strong yet for the project. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. That's it. There's nothing else besides this hidden bullish that's been playing out. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour we called this bearish, price action to the downside. We were even higher when we called it, right? On August 11th, I don't think we have looked at this since August 11th, but look at that, man, right? So bearish divergence, price action to the downside, we move down, and then we try to rally, and guess what happened on that rally? More bearish divergence, right? Yeah, baby. Going lower and coming lower here. Now I'm just forgetting to anchor left and right. What? Let's anchor this. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub, man. Don't be a stranger. We have a couple people tuned in here. Like 6 people watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so. I'll steal your crypto if you don't. Not what Mr. Beast says. I'll steal your dog, or I'll take your dog, or I'll steal your crypto, I'll steal your bike, you know. And then people sign up to his channel just because he says that. So. Hoping people will sign up to my channel because I said that. Kidding. Let's see. High, lower, high, positive, high on their side, lower on their side. All things good to hear. Low, lower, low. Alright, cool. Here we had some strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside. We did get that small rally happening, rejected the 20, moved slightly lower, but you know, still higher than previous low. Get that wave to play off, and high, higher, high. So let's see. High, higher, high. So nothing here yet. And then we come from here to here, and go from here to here, right, and create some more strong bullish divergence, and we do get that rally again, but we reject the 618, and since this end we have not come lower, and that's fine. So let's go here and zoom in a lot more so I can see this a little bit better. 1.87, 1.93, hidden bearish, right? Look at that. Price going from a high to a lower high, going from positive momentum to more positive momentum, also going higher on that RSI. Potential action to the downside, we did move down, lose the 20, and we've just been fighting for the 20. A lot of contraction happening on the Bollinger Bands. We could be getting a wild move, although right now it's not looking too strong, man. Let's see if we have something else going on here short term. 46.51, right? So slightly more negative momentum, and 43.34, 43, 42. So high to low, right? So we don't have anything bullish on the short term on the 1 hour. We just have a lot of bearishness, and we have this on the 4 hour, and then on the daily, you know, it's about it. Nothing on the daily. It's a weird project, man. It does not have a lot of data for me to be able to look at and make a proper assessment of it, right? So I think we're gonna leave it there for that project. I did get a request to look at. Let me do Jake's request first. So CNS. Jake, when you said CNS, and just to clarify, are you talking about a crypto project, or you just want me to look at CNS to something else? I know you typed it with a question to with a dollar sign, so I'm assuming it's a project. I'm just not finding a lot of data here. CNS, BTC. It's not showing up here. USD. Where did you buy that? Which exchange? See if I can get some charts going on for that. Well, you'll tell me that, or while you find that, I'll look at GNO real quick. GNO to the dollar and Kraken. Let's look there. The Kraken. All right, so going high, dude. This 29%, 28% gains, dude. What the hell's going on with these weird projects that no one's heard about, and they just freaking like going to the moon, man? Why? What are there's probably not technicals behind this for that pump on the daily. So low, higher low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher on the other side. There's nothing bullish. Why is this shit running? Right? Even short term, look at that. So negative momentum, right? Look at that. 0.18, right? 0.14, 0.16. It's low, high, low. Nothing. Nothing that is bullish. 18, 16, right? High, low, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower on the other side. Why is this project going on a ballistic run? Yes, it matched the whole support. Yes, it took a bounce at the 20. But really, to like get a 29% pump and 28% pump the next day, it's more like a 50% in 2 days, man. That's insane. I mean, I'm making more dough on DVT than this project, but you know, why is this thing pumping so hard, man? There are no technicals for it. Going high, starting to consolidate, you know. Gilatorian, what is up, bro? Pump season's back. I made a comment earlier on regarding you and some project, and I can't remember what I said. Oh, I said you're gonna kick yourself in the nuts for not buying into DVT. It's sitting at 9 sets right now. You should have gotten into DVT, man. You could have gotten in here, man, at 6, and then gotten out at 9. Or, you know, would have been a good game, dude. It would have been 50% climb in like a couple days. I know you're still waiting for I know, dude. I know you're waiting for 5 sats, dude. I'm not sure if we're gonna get 5 sats again. We might not. Bitcoin Jake's confident that we're never gonna see 5 sats again. I'm not sure. It's crypto. Anything can happen, man. There's a quote in any given Sunday, right? Any given Sunday you can win or you can lose. It's crypto. Any given day it can go up or it can go down, dude. I'm gonna quote that on Twitter. I just gotta find the right quote and then adapt it. Anyways, let's look at the Geno real quick at the 4 hour. All right, so you're going higher slightly, right? So, fudge, man, it's not even that much, but let's get this stuff going on here. And high to low, right? And high to low, right? So some bearish divergence building here, slant, strong bearish divergence, price action to downside. We got that move down, hitting the 20, finding support. Looks like we're hitting the 20 again and finding support still. With that said, it's sitting bought at 62.13. And it's creating some hidden bullish, right? That's why we're getting this rally here out of hidden bullish divergence. A lot of the market has this hidden bullish. Just playing insanely strong for this project. With that, let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what's going on here. So we're going high, right? Higher, more positive. That's fine. High, low, positive, less positive. High on the other side, lower on the other side. All right, so I do have something that I can work with here, right? Some bearish divergence, hidden, right? So high, lower high, positive to more positive, right? Potential action to downside. We're seeing that move down, hitting the 20. Now, something happening here. Let's see. Low, lower low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI, lower on the RSI. We have some positives here. I'm not sure if I should ignore them for this look, but low, high, negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. If you want to look for something, right? And I don't recommend this one though. But if you just want to look for something, right? Again, you can go from there, right? So you have some hidden bullish. I'm not buying that hidden bullish, mainly because you have some islands here. Took a nasty drop here, man. What the hell's wrong with this project, dude? I'm not sure, dude. I'm not even sure why this project pumped, dude. Again, it could be one of those. Let's get together and let's make a project pump schemes, right? At some point in time, it was worth $22, you know, and then let's see, what was the lowest this was worth? Oh, I'm gonna 1 hour. Let's go on the daily. $8, man. You know, from $8 to $49, quite a good chunk of cash. Bitcoin Jake say, IDK, very unlikely. We need a 5 million DVT dump to go to 5 sats. Not touching your 2 million until it's over 100 sats, maybe even 1,000. Yeah, all this shit's fishy. Yeah, dude, it's fishy. And yeah, by the way, Bitcoin Jake is gonna be huge when DVT pumps to $1. He's just gonna be like a crypto millionaire, dude. Yeah, crypto multi-millionaire. He's gonna have more than 1 million. Yeah. So if he goes to 50 cents, he'll be still very, very well set. Lambos for all. I'm not sure, man. I think he has his own plans. Well, he'll be Lambos for all. So if you're into DVT as well, dude. Nav. I'm not sure if you got into DVT or not, but if you haven't, or if you want to read about the project, you can look up there. The website is dvt.online or dvt.cc. You can also join the Discord. Bitcoin Jake will probably link you that, and you can talk about us there, right? So, anyways, I'm gonna buy a warehouse, a Supra, and put a racetrack around it. Yeah, dude, that is gonna be killer. Invite me over. I'll probably have enough just for the Supra, but not the warehouse and the racetrack. Does DVT have an asset exchange? What do you mean if it has an asset exchange? You'll peep it. All right. Dude, I'm not sure what you mean when you say asset exchange. It is exchanged to a couple cryptos. I'm not sure what you meant by that. But that's, Jake had a question, or he didn't have a question, he had a request. I'm going to look at that right now. Centric Cash Probit. Let's see if we can get something on Probit. Was it TNG? No. I got to look up what it was. Jake asked for coin earlier, and I can't find it. Was it prior to the Satoshi talk, or was it just after the Satoshi talk? I can't remember. CNS. Yeah, I was missing the last letter. There we go. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find this here. Yeah, thanks for bringing it up, guys. I appreciate that. Probit. Yeah, dude, I'm finding it here. I just want to find a pair and go directly to that site. Probit. They're gonna ProView. There we go. Probit. Trading View. We got Shard, but we don't have data. Trading View. Let's see. Please give me data. Yes. Indicators. Let's get the MACD and the RSI. McDonald's, RC. There we go. All right, so we gotta tweak this a little bit. Just make sure it's good and easy to read. Right on, man. Oh snap! I'm gonna start on the daily because they're doing 30 minutes, and I just want to see what this is doing. All right, so this got listed on July 28th, and it just took a massive dump. So first, not good thing, because you have a previous all-time high value of this project of like 0.02 cents. Right now it's worth 0.007 cents. So again, not bad, but not excellent, right? High, lower high, lower high. You have failed to make a higher high yet, right, on the daily. So I'd say, but you're also making higher lows, just to be fair, right? So low, higher low, higher low. Now, if you want to look at this in a different manner, you would be looking at a sort of triangle forming here, right? So I'll ignore some wicks real quick, just so I can point the pattern. Probably like that. So we're doing a sort of symmetrical triangle. Now I don't have anything in the MACD or the RSI on the daily to make an informed decision yet. And just based on the fact that it has been trading for too little, right? So that's why we don't have any data here. So let's go to the 4 hour, man. We're probably gonna have data there. Yeah, we do. All right, cool. Do we have something from the previous high? All right, high, lower, high, positive, less positive. Higher on the RSI to lower on the RSI. It's all good and congruent. Low, higher, low, negative. Did we even make negative here? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so 0. Then more negative. So less to less, negative to less, negative. Low on the RSI to higher on the RSI. There's some hidden bullish here. I just gotta zoom in a little bit more. Low to high, and then where are we going here? There to there, right? So more higher low, higher low, then a point on the RSI to a lower point. Hidden bullish, potential action to the upside, or at least stalling at this area. It's not gonna be insane, maybe, but right now this is what it has. So kind of like Ethereum. Sorry, I missed a little bit of chat. Just bought a small bag in case it pumps. Okay, it might get listed on Bittrex soon, I hear. Ooh, that could be interesting. Move chart and take off first day dump. Yeah, I'll do that in a second though. See if I can get data to load. I was looking at the voting resolutions in DT, and it is really cool. I'll look into it, how coins vote certain decisions. Yeah, awesome. Anyways, we do have that going on. Let me go to the 1 hour. Let me go back to the daily, and then dump the first day, like Bitcoin Jake requested. We'll see what's happening there. Damn. Really not doing a lot if I dump it, right? Yeah, we go there. So dump the first day. I dump the first day. Low, making higher high every time, but also making higher lows, but making lower highs, right? So if you this was your low, you went high, then you're making a lower high, right? That's what we'll be looking at right now. Don't change the fact it's still a triangle, right? I mean, I ignored the first day when I did this, and it will be looking like that. Again, triangles break either way, up or down. So let's go to 1 hour, man. We had this from the 4. Let's get rid of that, man. It is Sunday. Sunday. Monster Truck Rally. Did they even do Monster Truck stuff still? Dude, I was very little when I went to one of those things. I think I never went to one of those again, ever, man. For some reason. I can't remember. Anyways, low, high, less. Negative momentum, less negative momentum. Low on the other side. Lower on the other side. Alright, so first. Hidden bullish, right? Potential for moving up. We did move down, but lower than the previous one. And then from then, we just managed to move lower still. Maybe that move, let's see. Alright, we do have some positives, so negative, and then, let's see. Alright, I can work with this. I swear. Alright, so, negative. So low to a lower low, right? We're coming down in the price. We're getting less negative momentum, right? At some point in time, even here on the RSI, we're starting to make a difference, right? Look at that here. So we're creating that strong bullish divergence. Potential price action to the upside. We took a rally. We got a lot of positive momentum on that rally, but failing to get higher than anywhere before, right? So look, even if I go here, 53.68, 53, 53.2. Still slightly less. It's all in the 53 range, but you could go sideways, say you're coming in. You're not creating any kind of divergence, but it's taking a lot of strength for you to get to this level again, and it's starting to break down from there, right? And trying to gain this area, I guess. Right now, it's trying to find ground. If you look at this, right, like consolidation, try to pump and consolidate. It's not looking too hot, man. I mean, if it get listed on Bittrex, it might pump. That could be good. I'm not trading Provit. I don't have an account here. Did they ask for KYC on this exchange? Is it a KYC exchange? I'm tired. Went out to nature today. I was in the sun most of the day. My freaking arms are red. Damn. Probably my neck is red too. If I get sunburned on the neck and my neck looks red, am I a redneck? Does it turn me into a redneck? I feel like this side got really hit by the sun. It hurts a lot. Just from touching it. No, just email for you. Alright, cool. Yeah, I could be getting into this coin. I could see myself buying some of it. Not on the technicals, but on the fact that it could get listed on Bittrex. That's the only thing I'm seeing here. If it gets listed on Bittrex and pumps, I'll sell. Right, need some aloe vera? Yeah. I need some aloe vera, bro. Aloe vera. Oh, by the way, Nav, do you have friends that like crypto? And if so, let them know that we are here, man. This is a freaking awesome channel. Convert them to the state of crypto. No, I really did. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm still trying to see what else I can do. I went on Twitter and screamed to the top of my lungs yesterday, a couple days ago. The people should join this channel. And no one liked my comment, I think. So I felt sad. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, bro. Even if it doesn't get listed, it's probably gonna pump on that, right? So what's going on here, man? I have some alerts here. Oh, dude, some people are following me. Yay, people on Twitter. I did post something on Twitter the other day. I said, join us. And I posted the channel, and then, like, no one came. I'm sad. No one came to my birthday party. Get CoinKit monetized retweets going, maybe? So you gotta tell me about that on Discord. I'm not sure what that is. But look at that. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please go to YouTube and help us out with a sub. We're really trying to grow an awesome crypto community. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs, dude. I want to unlock video. And if I get to like 10,000, I can unlock stories. And then I'll like do other stuff. I will DM you later. All right, cool. Bro, I saw your texts about the phone yesterday on the Setup Crypto Discord. I was just like, after I got here and we were chatting for a little bit, shut down the computer. Went to bed. I had to wake up early today, and I just read the last ones, but I didn't reply, dude. It is a pretty cool phone, dude. I was looking into it, but today I saw this review for a not Huawei, a Xiaomi phone. It was really good, man. It's like super cheap, also. It's the I can't remember the name. The Xiaomi 10 Mi 10 Ultra, dude. It's supposed to be like super good, insane, but for some reason all this is popping up in Spanish. So let's see. Oh, because I'm in Mexico, it just opens in Spanish. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Yeah, there we go. Dude, it's supposed to be super cheap. I think it's just gonna be a China-only phone, but it's super like cool, dude. It has the best cameras on the market, bar none. It's gonna be insane. Xiaomi celebrating 10 years of using smartphone by releasing a new improved version of its Mi 10 smartphone. And I know it's not tech channel. I mean, it's a crypto channel, so deal with me. Anyways, dude, it has a very, very good camera, dude. And apparently the OS is really good. It's 16 gig hard drive, or sorry, 16 gig RAM and 12 gigs of hard drive. And it's like $800, dude. Even the cheaper version, which is still kick ass, is like $700, and then even there, it's like $600, right, for the lower version. I had this article open. It's in Spanish though, but they do have the prices listed in euros. And the specs, right? So 8 gigs, 265, so $685, and then the 10 Ultra 16 gig, 512 gigabyte storage space. It's gonna be 857 euros. So they're not gonna be super expensive. And it's a kick-ass phone. It's a flagship phone. It's the Plus Ultra flagship phone that everyone has. I can add a 2 terabyte SD card phone. That is pretty kick-ass, dude. That is really, really cool. You pay 170 with a 2-year warranty and set alarm. Yeah, dude, you told me about that one. How does the warranty work, dude? If your phone gets busted, you're gonna get a new one, right? Or they just give you the cash for another phone, I guess. I'm not sure. See, from work, I got this phone. It's the Huawei Y9S. It is pretty cool, man. It has the SIM card here. When you take it out, you can either add a secondary SIM card or SD drive on the same one. So you can have either 2 SIMs working on it or a SIM and extra storage, which is really cool. And the only thing I like about this one is that it has no frontal camera. I did put a glass screen on top of that, and it already got busted, so I'm gonna have to take it off. But it has a frontal. It has no frontal camera, so you get 100% real estate on the phone screen. It just has a when you want to take a selfie, it has this little pop-up camera that pops up through here, and then you can like see it. But it's really cool because it gets rid of that whole look. It's gonna pop up right now. So it's really cool because you have 100% screen. Now, don't mind that. That is just a glass thing I put on top of it. It already got busted, so but you don't have any part of the screen cut out just to fit a camera. I like the fact that they did that. It's really cool, man. Anyways, anything covers anything. They give gift card. Awesome. They give gift cards so you can get a new phone. That's really, really good, man. My wife had a iPhone, and I bought the warranty for it. And like a couple weeks before the warranty was set to expire, the iPhone broke. Like it fell as she was carrying my daughter up the stairs, and it fell and it just shattered, dude. It was so insane that it was just right on time. The last phone she had before that was a Samsung. I think it was a 6 Edge, or yeah, 6 Edge, not the Plus. And that was really weird. The phone was good, and then one day after the regular, right, the manufacturer's warranty expired, or the 1 year warranty expired. One day after it already expired, the phone stopped working. It's insane, dude. You know, it didn't turn on, and they said, "Oh, it's a problem with the motherboard." And we're like, "Well, can you change it?" They're like, "No." Dude, it's your phone, dude. Like what? No, your warranty already expired on it. It's 1 day, and your phone breaks a day after warranty, man. You know, so she wanted a Samsung Strike, so she doesn't want to get a Samsung phone. She doesn't care if it has the best camera. She's done with Samsung forever. I'm still in Samsung, but I think I'm gonna switch over to Xiaomi now with the new phone. It looks pretty sick and it looks pretty legit. I think that phone is just gonna be a China-only release, though. That's the only thing that sucks, but it's a good phone, man. I was looking at the specs; it's killer, man. The screen's almost as good as the Samsung Note 20. If you had to give the Samsung Note 20 an A plus, I think this Xiaomi, from what I heard, it's like an A minus, dude. So it's a really, really good camera. It has really good, screen. It has really good flow. It has good storage. It has good everything, man. It's so cool. Anyways, enough for tech. Let's go look at something else. So I might get into CNS, dude. I'm actually gonna type that one down. Bitcoin Jack, you're my link to the crypto underground, man. You hear about all these projects that are insane. And that's cool. I like that. You bring good info. Four people tuned in. Yay. Not sure who's watching still, but thank you. It's because of how what your net is. Yeah, dude, that's good, dude. Like having a good network, it's good. I haven't done it yet. She hit that subscribe, that bell, and that like, right? And if you did, thank you. If you didn't, thank you also. Anyways, you know what's insane? We got new people yesterday. They chatted for a while, but they never subscribed. That's weird. Actually, I think I even lost a sub yesterday. Awkward. Yeah, dude. I'm not sure, man. You gotta look for your entry, right? I think here would have been a good entry, right? What was the lowest it hit? 6-1, dude. That would have been a killer entry. It was almost 5. Well, not as low as 5 back here, right? But, almost 5. Look, right now, if you want to look at this somehow and give you some hope, right now it's looking like that, right? Like it's doing that, and then if we just extend that to there, we're making sort of like a very, very large symmetrical triangle where anything can happen, and that's where the magic is. That we just keep on trading within this triangle. You can get another entry. I'm not sure if it's going to go down to 5 though. Tensat looks like a psychological barrier. Yeah, it's been above there already. But yeah, you're right. It could be a psychological barrier. If this project goes to its all-time high from a year ago, at all-time highs, it was. Can I get the data? $13,000 sats. Not sure if that's when he came out or when he got listed. I think there was a lot of mining back here from what I heard. But he got listed, dude. If it goes up to 10,000 again, it's going to be insane for the project. Look, even if it goes up here, dude, to like 1,000, right now, there was a lot of mining happening here. So if it goes here or here, 1,000 sats from where it's at, it's going to be a lot of dough, man. Although it has been coming from this kind of downtrend, right? You can see that downtrend happening. It hit bottom very quick, right at 24, at 2.4, and then since it's just been going up. So I know I gotta remove a 0 here. So we're looking at 1,300 sats. That's the actual value. So I gotta remove 1 0 because they do had that additional digit for some reason. Just said it's more accessible, I guess. But the volume was like nothing. Yeah, I know, dude. The volume was nothing. It's been keep picking up lately, right? You can see that here on the charts. And this is all the latest info, right? On the latest time, it's just been picking up. Yep, I agree, dude. It is sign that interest is going up. It's gonna be huge, dude. It's gonna be insane when this goes up, dude. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Shit, man. What else are we gonna look at? We haven't looked at Cardano. Let's look at Cardano, man. Cardano. Right, not doing anything, right? Just sideways, below the 20 still. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish, move down. Nothing else happening. Neutral at 49.45. Dude, really? It has nothing going on for it. High, low. Low. Alright, it does have something here. Low. High to low. Low to high. Hit bearish. Potential action to the downside. Move down, hit the 20. Trying to take a bounce, but failing to go higher. We also have that on the RSI. That's about it, though. That's just as exciting as it gets for Cardano right now. Neutral 51.43. You gonna find your entry for a small bag. You should just get like, I'm not sure, like 25,000 sats or 25,000 DVT. It's not that much, dude. We're talking peanuts, dude. Right now. So, price 25K. 25,000 is $26 right now. Right, so for $26, you could get a lot of dough, which is good, man. You know, it's good stuff. What's Hoskins? Shoot me the ticker if you want to look at something, though. You're trying to accumulate over time. Yeah, that's the best strategy. Well, I got in with a heavy bag at the beginning, dude. So I have like over just on my dough, I think 700, 700,000 of this coin. So that's how much I have. And I'm happy with it, dude. Yeah, it's doing very, very good. I'm getting a very good price for some of it, and it's paying off. Look, even this coin traded against where is it against Bitcoin Cash? 320, right? I'm making 3 times my dough there. Against Litecoin is also very good, so you know. Anyways, bro, Jesus, 700,000. Yeah, dude, it's not that much. Right now it's worth something, right? Right now it's worth like $743, and I got in for $250. Right? And just by being part of the community, you accumulate, right? You're there, you'll get tipped, you know, someone will make it rain, and, you know, you're going to get some dough falling in your lap. But yeah, dude, I've made some good dough here, right? So not bad. Yeah, 3 times, dude. That's probably my average, dude. I actually got in against Bitcoin Cash for the most part. The bulk of my entry was against Bitcoin Cash. And I got 5 sats for the bulk of my Bitcoin. But for my Bitcoin Cash, I got in at 99, and right now it's sitting at 320 there, right? So I got in way back here, man. That like, so it's not even here. I'm on the 1 hour. That's why. Let's go to daily. Where is it on the daily, man? Look, at some point in time, it was worth 16,000, dude. It's so insane, right? I got in here, man. I think I was this dip here. No, I was somewhere around here, maybe June. When is June? June here. I'm one of these entries here, like probably here or here. I'm not sure, dude. I know I bought somewhere on here, not May but June, and there was a dip somewhere. I know I got filled here, and I can open the chart and actually look at it, but yeah, trust me, I got in here somewhere, and it's live, dude. I was live when my order got filled at 99, so we're looking at somewhere around here, maybe. So probably May I got in. I'm not sure. Somewhere around here. This one wick 99. Probably here, May 24th. Makes sense, right? Low at 98, 89 here. May 27th. It could have been, dude. Around May, June, I was getting into this project. I know I got filled at 99. So right now that one's worth 300, right? So 220. At some point in time, it even went to 14,000, dude. Oh, so 1,400. Sorry. So yeah, dude. Here a couple days ago, on August 13th, I would have made 14 times my money, right? Because I get 100, so it's 14 plus. So yeah, dude, it's really good. Spectre 9. When 30 cents. When 30 cents what? When 30 cents who? When 30 cents where? Which asset, bro? Spectre, let me know. I'll check it out for you, bro. But you gotta be a little bit more clear. Wow, yeah, dude, I got in there. So right now against this coin, I'm 3 times, and that's the bulk. And then the other ones I got for some free, so that helps to like add to the bulk. I got I think free. I've gotten like 25, and then 5. So 55,000 for free. That helps me. One XRP 30 cents. XRP 30 cents now. Right? It was there earlier. It's there now. XRP 30 cents. When? Now. 30. 30.0079. 30.079. So yeah. Benny, dude, what's good, man? How's it going, bro? Thank you for joining us tonight. It's already 30 cents, dude. So I'm waiting for it to take off, actually. But it's finally above that 29,894 area. We just been struggling with it for a little bit. True question is always 30 cents. Yeah. I tweeted that. I tweeted something similar. Not quite like that, but I did tweet something along those lines. Benny, you're into Jibo. I'll check out Jibo, bro. Just give me one quick second. Where is my tweet feed? Let's check this out, man. I tweeted that like a couple days ago. Profile. Was it today? Yeah. Here. That was today. Still waiting for XRP to be able to sustain price above 30 cents. So yeah, thanks for your trick question, dude. When? Now. Yeah. Jivo. Let's check on Jivo, dude. What else do we have going on? Let's see. I'm sure I meant for 700,088. No, 700,088. No, hell's no, dude. I have 700,000 DVT. Let's look at this. Yeah. Jivo. Jivo Inc. The NASDAQ. That's the one you want to look at, right, Benny? We'll look at that. You see Austin Powers trying to turn the car around the internet. No, is that from the scene where he's trapped in this little golf cart in the like hallway, and he just like puts it sideways, and he's just like trying to move back and forth. Points 56 a share, dude. Awesome, dude. Yeah, we'll check out Jivo. Here we go. Here we are, 55. Right on. Okay, so yeah, awesome, dude. You had some bullish here, right? Even from the previous, probably. Let's see this. Yeah. From here, right? You're coming in lower every time, and then from here to here, you're going there, right? So some strong bullish to there, And then even from here to here, strong bullish. You don't have it against the RSI, right? It's still coming lower. But strong bullish price action to the upside, right? So you get that nice pump happening here, a 10% pump. And then start to go down slightly on hidden bearish, right? So high to low. And then low to high, right? Do we have it here? 61.29. 60.85. So no there. Just against the... so you're breaking down on some hidden bearish. That's the 1 hour though. Let's go on the daily. We don't do stocks in the 1 hour. Snap. It's okay. Cool. It's tight on the Bollinger Bands. You should be getting a wild move soonish, right? But no, dude, Spectre 9. I haven't seen that. If you want to send it to me on Twitter, that would be amazing. You can tweet me at the State of Crip 1. It's going out right now. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. So negative. So low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower on the other side. Nothing there. Let's see zoom in here. High. Lower, high, less. Alright, that was very, very tiny. Right, this is very, very tiny. Bearish divergence, I guess we can say, right? That is technically very, very tiny, slightly higher, right? High to low, right? That's what I'm looking at. It's high to low, low to high again. Potential action to the downside. We did move down. Again, we're just flirting with the 20s, just moving sideways around 60 cents right now. So at 62 to 50 cent area. There is news for this from August 14th. Is it going to show me the news? It's not. What a... Come on, open up the news. Why do you not want to open up the news? Anyways, this is what I want to look at, right? It just says that. Brief. Gevo Inc. receives letter from staff of NASDAQ. You received a letter from staff of NASDAQ market. Farther company coverage. Gevo. For some reason, it's not wanting to open the news today. I'm gonna have to look that up though. It kind of sucks that they just tease you with the news and they don't open the articles now. Moderate buy, right? So you're buying in good, man. 6 days ago. There's some bullish sentiment around this asset, dude. Benny, you might be on something. This one says analysts say Gevo can really get to $5 in 12 months. So, you know, it's going to take time, but it could do good, man. If you buy it at 60 cents, you could be doing some good return there. Has good volume trading. I'm going to check into Gevo, dude. I'm actually going to write it down. I'm going to check it out. It looks like a good entry. Although I'm not seeing anything. Maybe if I go on the weekly, there's something I'm missing, right? So, yeah, on the weekly, you have some strong bullish, right? Has it been at $5 before? Yeah, it's even been higher than $5, dude. It's just been trading horribly lately, but you do have some strong bullish that could potentially bring you up. You even have it against the RSI, right? So there's a chance you could try to go for a rally. Although right now it's really not pumping; it's failing to perform. So there certainly is a chance. You made a YouTube video to pump hard, dude. What's your YouTube, man? What's my Twitter? I already sent it out, Spectre. At the State of Crip 1. You can see it there. I'll send it out again on the screen. I think it's out already. Yeah. The all-time high, it's 150,000. It's a startup. All right, cool. So technically, it's not really 150,000. All right, that's how probably someone bought there. Click your name. Yeah, no, dude, I can't right now. I'm actually on the Restream chat, right? So I can't click it. I'll type. I'll just check you out later, though. I'm not sure if I subscribe to you, but I'll subscribe to you. Benny, man, becoming a YouTuber. Awesome, bro. So cool, man. I'll go and support your channel as well. Benny the Jet Rodriguez. Wasn't that from The Sandlot? I'm not sure why I've been talking about The Sandlot so much lately. Such a good movie, though. Hey, there's Benny with 2 videos. Awesome, bro. A month ago and a month ago. All right, cool. I'll sub to you, man. There you go. You got your you got a sub. Yay. Don't want to laugh about The Sandlot? Yeah, dude, I like that. Oh, bro, you sent me the link to Twitter. All right. I'll see if I can copy and paste it though. I am on the Restream chat, right? So I try to keep that open because that's where I get the feed from everyone. So we'll check this out. We'll check this out. Oh snap! It's not showing there. Did you go here? And it's also not letting me go here. Oh man, why? Why? Twitter. Dot. There we go. See if it opens. All right. Yeah. Looks funny. Yep. Is this legit how it feels right now? I just retweeted it. It's funny. I hope my people that follow me because of XRP don't get offended by it. It's just funny, dude. It's good. Oh, snap. We got someone here. All time high. All right, cool. Click your name. Yeah, I did. Hello. You want to left? Yeah. When you were a child, model early 99. Here for a role in The Sandlot. You can get the booking. Oh, that's cool, bro. Yeah, no problem, dude. Thank you for joining us. AS. Let's see. I'm just gonna have to abbreviate your name. Thank you for joining us tonight. Did I know you were a child model? That's cool though that you're interviewed for The Sandlot. That was a good film. Hashtag the City of Crypto. Yeah, what's up, bro? I'm here. What do you need? Batwing formation there, mate. Batwing formation. All right. It's a Batwing. It's a Batman. I don't look at like harmonics, dude. So we'll just do a Batman formation. Hopefully that works. It's not looking pretty. That's a horrible bat. Forget that. Scratch that. What the hell am I doing with this bat, bro? Alright, we'll do the Batwing formation, though, for sure. Look. There we go. Batwing. Dude. Fly through the sky, heading west. Yeah, 2020 year of the bat. Yeah, dude. I'm a horrible drawer here on TradingView. I should become more of a pro, dude. I should just like make this my canvas and like start drawing stuff. Dude, yeah, for sure, man. Throw some ink on this thing. Yeah, more like a bearish bat flu pattern. Yeah, man, I like that comment. Oh man. Yeah, bat. Actually, the bat, it's an actual harmonic pattern, but I'm not gonna look at bats. I'll just point it out for you guys. That is a bat. It's a bullish bat and a bearish bat. Again, the bullish looks like an M, and the bearish looks like a W, right? So again, because you make your W and then you break down. It's all based on fibs, right? And separations, but Anyways, I'm not gonna go into details. I don't like doing harmonics that often, so I really don't like trading harmonics that much, even. So a lot of people like them. I don't. But the bullish bat, it actually exists, right? This is not a bat wing, but it's a bat. So we're just shooting the hit right now, right? I think. So we can do that. So I think we just covered everything, dude. The markets have started already. Yeah, some of the markets are started, right? I'm not even sure how gold and silver are doing, but before we do that, let's look at Bitcoin. What is it? That Bitcoin futures, right? Let's see what's going on there. Hello. Oh man, did we gap up? No, we didn't. We actually opened right where we left off. We do have a gap here that we need to fill potentially, so we could look for some pullback to 11,600, which it wouldn't be weird, seeing that we're facing resistance. But we are technically opening right where we left off. Close at 11,100, 11,965, 11,135. So yeah, more or less the same. With that said, let's go look at gold and silver real quick. Silver, shiver me timbers. Yar. Silver, man. Found support, right? Found support 161.8%, which is good. That's about it, though. Took a bounce. Starting to move down right now. Not a lot happening, right? Bearish divergence. We called that one out. We're still finding new ground. Gold doing the same. Just found some hidden bullish. Try to rally from there. What else you guys want to look at? Let me know. 6 people tuned in. Thank you for tuning in and watching this awesome stream. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Because why not, right? What else you gotta lose? Like a second of your time? Come on. Nav still with us. Tesos. Yeah, look at Tesos, bro. We haven't seen Tesos today. Let's go visit our friend Tesos. Hey, Tezus. Here we are. Bearish divergence, price action to downside. We did move down slightly. That's daily, though. We took a bounce yesterday. Right, that's fine. 3.99% gains. And then right now, it's on decision. But, still lower than the previous high. So high, lower, high, positive, less positive. We're really not doing a lot here. Sitting bought at 67.72. But that's about it, though. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bullish that we called out on August 14th. Hidden bullish, price action to the upside. We started rally since, right? That was the 11 p.m. candle. So we're probably live here calling it this one. Managed to get up here, so it's fine. Moving down, hitting the 20, finding support. It looks like it's rejecting lower prices and even enough to undo the previous candle, which is good. We don't have anything else building here, right? High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side, lower on the other side. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, bearish divergence. Why must Dow be here? Right, look at that, man. This is bearish divergence at its best. Look at the majestic bearish divergence on its splendor. Go from high to high, and from a positive momentum to less positive momentum. Also a high on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Strong bearish, price action to the downside. We move down. It looks like we did dip below the 20 briefly, but we're bullish enough to hold the price level here, and we're trying to get a pump happening again. It's not really a good bounce. A good bounce would look like a hit like this and then bounce, but we came down and rejecting lower prices, right? So, right, low, higher, negative, and less negative. Low on the other side, higher and higher still. Not a lot going on here, man. Again, gotta wait for this to happen, right, to play off, see what it's gonna do, or what this wants to do. I mean, we do have something on the 4 hour, right? We had some hidden bullish that we're running off. We do have some kind of bearish that's moving us down. And on the daily, we don't have anything else building. So again, we just could be going for consolidation and still have a little bit more sideways motion, right? That could be it for this. I'm not really getting any other clear sign yet for this. So again, you gotta wait for something to develop, right? The last thing we had was the bearish. Oh man, why am I lug the keys? That's why. I lug the keys in the car. There we go. You thought you were stripping. Why were you stripping, man? Why were you stripping? Heard it pronounced Tezos. All right. AMPL. Sure, man. I'll check out AMPL. Ample. I'll just write it down here so we know what we're looking at. I was just messing around by when I say Jesus, right? Like Jesus. Tezos is correct pronounce. Tezos. I think it's Tezos. Sounds like pesos almost. So I'll just leave it at Tezos. It's like pesos but with a T instead of a P. Why was you tripping, Nev? I'm not sure. But let me know. I'm going to start looking at Ample right now on a request from one of our viewers, who's Spectre 9. We said Ample. AMPL. I should get it together, though. I hope that's fine. Holy smokes, it's going down in flames. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Right, okay, cool. First. Dude, this is good. I like this. Not what I'm going to draw, but I like what I'm seeing because I can draw it now. Look at this. Head and shoulders pattern. Alright. Right, that head and shoulders. Having a very weird neckline. I don't like the neckline. Just the fact that this is much lower, though. Because that would mean we would have taken a measure move like that. Then place that to there. And then we would have gone to $0, right? That's why we didn't drop that much. Maybe if I look at this on log scale, it will make more sense. Oh, but on log scale, I need to remove the... There we go. Yep, on log scale, it does make sense, right? Again, logarithmic scale, if you don't know how it works, read on it. It's still going to go to 0. Damn it. Log scale just basically goes 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 24, 16, 32, 64. You know, that's how it works. So every time you're scaling, you're doubling up. That's why it looks different when you go on linear, right? So it just it flattens it out a little bit on the effect, right? Instead of making it look so sharp, right? You just go a little bit less sharp, let's say. But again, you know, all right. So yeah, let's keep on looking at this, man. Right? I just look at the head and shoulders real quick, and that's about it, though. Oh snap! I got rid of the Bollinger Bands. There we go. Bring them back. There we go. All right. First, tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Right? We're starting to get tightness. That could mean we're getting an explosive move. It's sitting at 61 cents, so it still could go lower, right? I'm not saying it's safe yet to get into this. Let's see. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. All right, cool. We are doing some strong bullish from here to here. But that strong bullish is not enough to really pump us a lot. So, have same stuff going on here, right? Strong bullish. Now, they would manage to move lower still. Let me get rid of the Bollinger Bands again. Sometimes the Bollinger Bands just screw the charts, so just gotta like turn them off and turn them off. So, look at this. Right, low. Slightly higher negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher on the other side. Nothing here on the daily. And just for good measure, I'm going to turn on my friends Hacking Sheet candles and see that we're still in a red trend, meaning that we are trading red, right? We could go down still. That's what worries me. Again, Hacking Sheet candles are a different. They just highlight a trend mainly. The candles look different than regular candles. Again, DYOR, do your own research. I mean, I'm not going to go into detail. It's already late into the stream, so we've been live for an hour and 40 minutes. But again, Hacking Sheet candles are a good indicator of where the trend is going, and it's just on a red trend lately, right? I mean, it could be good, right? It could be that you're getting tired of being in a red trend, but just the bullishness is really not playing out, right? We do have some bullish here. It was a very, very minuscule pump. So let's go to the 4 hour, man. 3168, 32, so more higher on the RSI as well, right? Then coming low, so not a lot happening here. We do have some strong bullish developing, but look at that, man, right? We're going like that, and then, you know, we go, first we go and make sure this is going to be on the 4 hour. and it is. So let's go there. And we're coming in like this, dude, right? Right, so some strong bullish potential price action to the upside. You're starting to see that play off right now, right? Last 4 hour went green, this 4 hours going green. Heganashi probably going to start to take a turn also, right? Start to turn green. So again, you could be entering a positive trend. I do have some other indicators out here. MPL to Bitcoin, MPL to Tether. Let's get to see it on this chart. It didn't open ample. Here we go, ample. Oh snap. All right. As you know, when I'm in this chart mode, I get different data sets. So we're below every curve. We're below every moving average. It's not good. All right. So let's start with that. And we haven't really gotten in either from the other strategy that you look at, right? The parabolic. Last thing it called was an exit. Even here, it called an entry and it screwed up. It's like, oh, hell's no, dude, exit. And, immediate exit after the entry. So we have not even gotten an entry here. And I'm not seeing an entry either. That's the point. So I'm confirming with this indicator, or this, indicator, that I'm not seeing an entry. But with that, so no entry and below every moving average. We're not even about to get a cross, right? And we want to get crosses in the moving averages. Anyways, that's in the 4 hour though. Let's go on to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so you have something bullish here. 221, 238. So you're coming in lower with more negative momentum and lower on that RSI. And you would just have bullish divergence on this very, very last part, right? Look at that. So low, lower, low. Go to the 1 hour. Coming in like that, and then coming in like this. You could be looking at a potential entry right now. Sitting neutral at 49.68 on the RSI. Let's confirm with the parabolic moves. And the 20s, right? So look at the 1 hour. Yeah, see, they're even calling for an entry. So good, man. You could be looking at an entry, like I said, right? And right now it's a good entry time. So that would be it, though, for this asset. So Spectre, I hope you like the analysis. I'm not even sure if you're still with us. I hope you're still with us. We did ample, so it's there. It's out there for you guys to look at, and yeah. Trip and read Tesla's pronunciation. Oh, okay, cool. I just call it Tezos. I'm not even sure how it's pronounced. But look, you're about to get a cross, right? For right hook over left. No, I'm kidding. We're looking for a cross to happen. We don't have anything within the moving average, the simple one, right? The simple one colors are here, from here to here. Then from here to here are the exponentials. But they're all far apart. We're really not about to get a good cross. And we're also starting to get above the 20, which is good. Let's see if this could propel us to go above there. Look, we called an entry here, and we just pumped a little bit more. Yay. Isn't it great? Again, like I said, we're looking at potential in. So I'm just confirming with another indicator that we are looking at it in. And it's there. New messages. All right, cool. Yeah, Spectre's still here. All right. Wonder why it's so shit in a bull market? Dude, there's coins that behave that way, right? There's coins that are doing horrible. There's probably someone that's doing worse than this. Let's look at the biggest losers today. The biggest loser. All right, look, Jetcoin managed to pump 276% today, and then Cream Finance another 234, and then XDAI 104. All right, so that's good gainers, right? Is any of the good coins here? Any of the main coins here? No, right? Look, it's just stuff, dude. Like OMG network now. Oh, everyone's playing off something else, dude. Why are people not original? But look, dude, look at that Plas Pharma. Probably Farmer. I'm not sure what it is. Why, when I move it, does it come out? Farmer's token. 73% losses, dude. Bitcoin, true. Just because they put Bitcoin, it's like marketing, dude. Frank gave you 50,000 Dime in 2018, still worthless. Yeah, we'll look at Dime though. But look, people think that because they put Bitcoin before the name, it's just gonna make it pump, and it's not, right? It lost 46%. Dude, let's see who else. Yam, Bitball, RMPL. You know, there's coins that are doing worse. Curve, DAO, right? Someone was here talking about Curve. We even looked at it on Binance. It's one of the worst performers. What surprise, man. Why? Because it just got listed on Binance. Of course, people went on and dumped there. Lost 22% today. It sucks, dude. There you go. That's what you get for buying coins when they get listed on Binance. I told you guys not to do that. Anyways, some pullback happening around 62 cents. But you know, that's how it goes, man. You know, some coins don't recover, right? Some coins lose project, they lose interest, people lose interest in them. You know, there's so many coins out there. Most of them are, a lot of those projects are gonna die out. I mean, the code's still gonna be there. They're just people are gonna lose interest. Dime. Dude, I'm not even finding a trading pair for Dime. What is the ticker? Dime coin? Dime. I'm not finding it for Dime. So I'll go on CoinMarketCap and try to see which exchange has it. Oh, okay, cool. So none of the exchanges that I use. That's why it's not there, dude. So look at here. Where's the pro? I'll just look at the chart here, man. It's probably, if you said it's still worth the same, it's probably not moved. So it's no point in looking at it. Yeah, not moved, right? We'll even shorten this. Look, it started even in 2014. Look at that. It was worth then. Is this legit? Like 0.00007? 0.00003? Right. And then it's become 2. So it's worth a little bit more than when it was created. Not a lot, though. You said your buddy gave it to you in 2018. So, oh, man, that sucks. So, yeah, I'm not sure when you got it in 2018. But, you know, it was 0.000. Like 4 zeros and then a number. Now it's like 4 zeros, 5 zeros and then a number. And then back here, before that pump, it was like 7 zeros and a number. You know, it has a large supply, I guess. You have 77 cents worth. Wow, that's a lot, dude. Trading for a Lambo. You can probably buy a Hot Wheels Lambo with that. Hey, man, look at the positive side, right? 77 cents. It's a good Hot Wheels Lambo. Maybe. What the hell is Curve? Lol, 500,000 circulating supply, over 1 billion total supply. What? Curve, the one I was talking about, it's a project that just got listed on Binance yesterday, or 2 days ago. CRV, CRV, Binance. Just how I looked it up. No, that's not it. Oh, I didn't want to look at that one. Where are you? Where are you? I was looking at the Binance. Why is it not here, man? Well, it was here a little bit ago, but you know, let's go here. And let's see if I can over here. No, I don't want to go into the Binance exchange. Yeah, wait a sec, dude. I don't care. It wants me to log in. That's why I don't want to do this here. There we go. Let's look up Curve. Where is thy search? It's not even telling me what it's loaded. Bitcoin to Tether. All right, cool. Where's the search here, dude? I haven't logged into Binance for the longest time. Okay, here it is. Bitcoin to we said Curve, CRV. CRV, here it is, dude. Like, it's this coin that got listed like yesterday, and someone, or 2 days ago, and someone was here telling me that I should check it out because it was gonna go insane. And it's first day, it was gonna be amazing, and it was not gonna lose money. And yeah, it didn't lose money, right? It went up a little bit, but I feel bad for the guy that ended up buying here at like $23, right? $23, 21,000 sats from like an entry point of like 3,800 sats, and then it closed at like 5,000 sats, right? Yeah, dude, I know on CoinMarketCap, dude. We looked at it yesterday, I think. Curve, right? This one. It's a new coin. Again, it just got listed. So, I'm not sure what they're doing, but, you know, it doesn't have a lot of data here. It used to be in other exchanges, but Poloniex, Uniswap, OKEX, but Binance now is taking the lead on. We cannot trust CoinMarketCap for this, but it says that they're the biggest volume trader, I guess, in the last 24 hours. It makes sense. It just got listed there, and a lot of people got into it on the hopes that they were going to go higher, but they found out really quickly that those were dreams, and it actually crashed. So look, it's worth almost what it was worth at the beginning. So it was worth 3,864. Right now it's worth 4,294. Again, it got listed on the 14th, so 2 days ago. And I said, don't do it. I told that guy, don't do it. And he said, I'm going to buy it, dude, because it's going to pump on the first day. And I said, no, man, it's going to crash, dude. You're going to be a fool. I'm not sure what he got into, but he was here he's like, it's going to go live in 5 minutes, man. It's like, it's going to go insane. It never loses money in the first day. Right. Look, if you bought here, you lost. We already talked about that. If you bought 21, it's worth 4. It was worth 5, right? So if you did that, you probably lost about 4/5 of your dough, dude. 80% of your dough. Dude, why? Why would you go and do that to yourself? Dude, coins, when they get listed on Binance, if you're not in on another exchange prior to that listing happening, or prior to that pump coming and rallying, you're probably going to get screwed, man. The only thing you do is hold and hope that whenever they go to Binance, you're going to be able to exit your position. So that's all that Binance has now become good for, right? You get listed in Binance, you get insane pumps, and then day after or same day, you get insane crashes, dude. And a lot of people get screwed because they end up buying near all-time highs. That's why. So it's just insane, dude, to see this pump. I'm not even gonna how would people do that, man? I'm only seeing data for today. It has a lot of trading happening though, right? It just on the book here, if you look at the trades, there's like a trade almost every couple seconds, so it has a lot of trades happening, right? It does have a trade per minute almost. So there is movement happening here. It seems to be stabilizing around this area, but again, dude, don't buy when the coins get listed. You got to do that before, or because if you buy when it gets listed, this is gonna happen, right? You get an insane pump because everyone's just trying to get on Binance so they can buy this coin as it pumps because they want to sell at highs, and then people end up buying highs and they think it's still gonna go higher and then end up getting screwed, right? That's FOMO. That's why you don't FOMO, right? That's why you buy into projects. You wouldn't touch that shit coin. Yeah, dude, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, man. Yeah. I mean, dude, I'm not sure what this coin's gonna do. Right? It doesn't have any data, so I cannot chart it. It's just whatever. But someone was here talking about it the other day, so that's the only reason we looked at it. Start to red. It's rejecting the 20. Ample. Why? You should have run, man. Come on, Forrest, run. Hello, possible spots again. We don't have anything bearish here. Again, look, the only good thing about small cap coins is the fact that you can pick them for cheap and not put a lot of money. And if they ever pump, you're gonna make some dough. And if they don't, then you're probably not gonna lose a lot. So if you want to get into like small market cap coins, just make sure to diversify a lot, because some of them are going to have good days, some are going to have bad days, but when the good ones have good days, that's when you sell those and move on and buy some other small market cap coins, right? You don't put all your eggs in one basket. I wouldn't recommend that for anyone. Bitcoin's starting to move down. Why Bitcoin? Well, we said we might have a red day, still have a lot of hours to go. I might end up eating my words. We still have 19 hours to go. But if it manages to get above 11,928, we could be looking for something higher, right, happening. But right now, it looks like we're rejecting that area. That's why I said we might look at a red day. We could go down to the 20 on the daily and find support. But really, really want to see how this is going to play out for Bitcoin. 500,000 circulating supply and 1 billion total. Yeah, dude, it's insane. Anyways, right, like I said, bearish divergence, potential action down. We're seeing that happening. Sitting at 11,814, trying to get some pullback. On the 4-hour, right? Bearish divergence. We haven't done anything else after, so we could still move down, right? Trying to find some bullish. Right now we have some hidden bullish developing here on the 4-hour, right? This is very tiny. We don't. Let's go to the 1-hour. Again, on the 1-hour we called bearish, right? And we've just been moving down since. So here. Red happening still today. Again, just watch out. We could have a red crypt today. Everyone's red. Bitcoin's red. It's 0.90% down, so almost 1%. Ethereum's already 2.5% down. XRP is going down, man. It's losing the 30-cent fight, man. Oh no! It's sitting at 30 cents in one exchange, and this one on Bitfinex it's at 30 cents. Other than that, look at that, man. Oh no! Trying to go for support at 29,894. We might lose it today, and if we lose it, we could come back down to this area and try to find support somewhere around here. But you know. XRP, bro. Right there, right? You described it perfectly, Spectre. XRP, for sure. Anyways, guys, we've been live for 2 hours. I'm going to take off tonight. Thank you for joining us tonight for this awesome stream. Again, thank you for joining me at the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals and chill-out stream times. So, again, without further ado, I'll let you go, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Again, a pleasure hosting you guys tonight. This awesome night. And thank you for joining me and chilling with me tonight. So, with that, I'll catch you tomorrow. And until then.